Hi, and welcome to another edition of Jay Meditates on a Moto. I'm your host, Jason, and today I'm going to be talking about Motorcycle Lingo 101, and I'm going to be testing my fiance to make it even funnier. The idea came to me when I was watching the other day a Yammie Noob video, and he was giving definitions on all of these really funny sounding motorcycle terms, and I thought I'd take it one step further for entertainment purposes and show you how funny the responses my fiance has for some of these terms. What are ape hangers?
Ape hangers?
Yeah.
I have no idea. I'm just visualizing apes hanging from something. I don't know what it is on a bike. I have no idea.
What is atgat?
Atgat? Is that something for the gas cap or something?
All the gear, all the time.
Oh, I have that. I have all the gear all the time. I do. It's in there. I have it all.
What's a boosa or a boosa boy?
A seat? Something about a seat? Like a booster seat or something?
A boosa is a Hayabusa, which is a type of motorcycle from Suzuki, and a boosa boy is obviously a guy who rides a Hayabusa. What's a bobber?
Oh, it's fishing. You put it in the fishing, and then it's the bobber that sits up on top of the water.
What's a jixer?
You're trying to confuse me. Oh, is it like a shiksa?
No. What's a high side?
I don't know. You going into the lean, and then this is the high side? Okay.
What's a low side?
Opposite of that? Throwing you.
What's a cowie?
Either it's a Kawasaki, some type of motorcycle, or you're driving and you see a cow.
What's a petcock?
Well, I don't know if it's a family show. I don't know if I can say what that is. Let's not go into that. Just tell me what it is.
What's a pillion?
It's more than $1 billion.
No, it's the passenger seat.
Oh, I ride on the pillion. Okay.
What are skins or slicks?
Chaps? Or your gear, your pants, your rain gear?
What's a squid?
It's in the water. I love squid. It's awesome.
No. They're motorcyclists who are all talk and no action. They can't, they talk lots of shit, but they got zero
we
skills.
watched YouTubes on that.
Yeah. What are twisties?
Doing figure eights?
What's a boxer?
Come on. You know Muhammad Ali? Come on. Boxer. I got it. Dogs.
No, it refers to actually the BMW Boxer engine that exists in cars as well as motorcycles that have two opposing cylinders. What's a farkle?
It's a farkle. You pop on your bike and it's woo.
They're generally add-ons that people put on their bikes that have zero purpose. What's a naked bike?
That's a bike that doesn't have any fairings on it. You know, it's all naked. I got that one. That one I know.
What's a tank slapper?
Yeah, baby. The tank slappers. It's an awesome bike. Woo, baby.
No, it's where the bike has such a bad wobble that the handlebars smack into the tank. What is gooch juice?
It's like hooch, like, where the hillbillies used to make hooch. Huge moonshine for the bike?
No, it's the sweat you develop in your crotch while riding the motorcycle.
That's really gross. That's really, really gross.
What is a sissy bar?
It's the handlebar, some type of handlebar. It's not this one because you already told me what that one was, but it's a type of handlebar from when I was a kid. I just don't know which ones.
It's the backrest for the passenger.
Oh, I love that thing. I have that on our bike. I love it. It's so comfortable.
What is a mega dank nooner?
So you get together with your sweetie at noon, and you guys just go at it for an hour. I don't know. It's a mega session.
No.
For a bike, you do it on the bike. I don't know. What?
So you know what mega is? It's like
big.
Big.
Something big.
And you know what dank is?
Something small.
No, it's
something
good.
dark. Oh, okay. I did not know that.
It's another word for like saying good.
Okay.
Okay, and a nooner.
I know what a nooner is.
No, a nooner refers to a motorcycle being in a wheelie and pointing to the 12 noon direction, being completely straight up and down.
That's a mega dank nooner.
Yes.
You will never do that on your bike ever.
What are chicken strips?
Lunch?
No, they are the unused edges of the tire when people don't lean the motorcycle over enough to wear those parts
and
of the
then
tire.
it hangs out. It's like that extra tread.
No, they refer to those people as chickens because they don't lean their bike over enough to wear those parts of the tire.
Where do they
Hence,
get these names?
Chicken strips. That's.
These are odd names. Don't make any sense.
This is Motorcycle Lingo 101.
Okay.
Check out one of these videos popping up on the screen right here. And I hope you found this as entertaining as I did, because my fiance can be pretty funny with her facial expressions and the things she actually comes off of the top of her head on the ideas of what she thought some of the definitions to these words were. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys all next time.